Alright, we are back. You can see I'm still rocking the seashell fit, and we left off. Um, we left off. That's wrong. At Funchy something, full Funchy, whatever. I don't know. The arcade. But yeah, let's just get back into it. I would hate to. What the hell is that? What the hell? This zombie's got magic. Okay, I'm screwing up so bad. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Now this guy. Ugh. What? How is he not taking damage? What was that? I hear a timer. Nice, right in the wang. Right in the zombie. I saw a golden lollipop. Hold up. Alright.
New game's out today. We better help this dude before his game is over.
All waiting mature on their asses.
I kind of don't like these, like, Save the Survivor type ones. Let me get rid of him first. Oh, come on. Is it her? Is she the one throwing stuff at me? Oh, is he dying? That is one zombie. God, it takes so long. There we go. Oh my god, more? Oh. Give me money.
Metal up your ass.
Thanks, I think. Nothing. Okay, wait. Ah, okay.
Going up.
I still haven't unlocked her dad's outfit. I should probably do that soon. Funk Patrol.
Whoa.
What the?
They just got all Commodore 64 on us.
Pac-Man? Is this a human playing it?
Thanks for blue ghosts.
What the hell? Awesome. Oh, great, dude. I wasn't even great at Pac-Man in real life. Find all the keys from this. Okay.
I
Just
guess
gotta
the
find
one
all
thing
the
I don't have
keys.
to worry about is callous thumbs.
Where the hell are the keys? Do I have to fight the guy? Oh shit. Oh! Oh no, that's not a key. Is it? No. There's a key right there. That's great, man.
That dude would be scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez.
Oh, I see this. Yep. Second key. Third key. Shit. I don't know if I can fight that thing or not. No. What's that? Oh, the star. Shit. I see another key. And another one, I think. Oh shit, I'm about to get fucking
Juliet,
jumped
can
right
I
here.
ask you something sort of sensitive?
Oh, yes, Nick?
My face is stuck in your butt. Can you move it a little?
Oh,
Why would he want to do that? Move, please move, move. I need 2 more keys. They have to be in like the beginning. Oh no, wait. Oh, probably up. Where did he see me from? Oh my god. There you go. Oof. Well, it wasn't that bad actually. Thankfully.
Next level.
Oh, great, there's more.
now
Oh,
seems
okay,
like
but
the
it's...
perfect time to take a shopping break.
Aha.
The very best time, too.
Always gotta check behind it, man. There's always loot.
Time to shop.
Ooh, okay. Wait, is there any power? How many sneakers? Just for recovery.
That's it.
I'm gonna buy. Or am I full? I guess I am. I am going to buy the dad costume though, because I said I would,
Click, click.
and
I found
I feel like it's perfect for this level. Also, I want to know what Nick says to this. Oh, did I already buy that?
Welcome to my bedroom. Well, what do you think?
Oh my god, you're so pretty.
Just, I'll say whatever.
Go team go! Well,
Okay. We are the dad. Let me do that actually. Let me buy one more.
I wonder what they have. That's
Okay.
it. Well,
Then keep moving on.
let's do this thing.
Oh my god. What is it?
My triceps are getting a total workout swinging this chainsaw around.
Are you just rubbing in that I don't have triceps?
Oof. Dude, that is probably one of the craziest ones she has for sure. God, dude, I can't do anything right now. Oh, wait. Yep. I gotta get these guys out of the way. Hold up. Oof. There goes that grapple move. And get him one and done out of there. The camera's kind of wonky. Okay, there we go. Jeez. Oh wait, that's for Nick? Nick is gonna be a hot little cheerleader. Wait, is any stuff? Guess where I came from. Well, let me use this. Before I do that, let me just go ahead and refill. Alright. Let's see who moves. What the hell does this have anything to do? He's just dancing? Oh, am I gonna launch off of it? Oh, I got more of those zombies that throw the damn thing at you.
No, I'm too pretty to die. We're gonna bring these zombies the funk, right, Nick?
What? You gonna fuck a zombie?
No, gross. Bring them the funk.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking of something else, and I'm really sorry.
There you go. Oh, I should have drop kicked them off. See if I could drop kick them off the side.
Thanks, Juliet. Totally gonna friend request you tonight.
I'm only your friend because I saved your life. Okay. Ooh.
Now it's mine.
Okay. Oh, don't do another Pac-Man one.
Hey there! Are you ready?
Nope. What the hell do I do? What do I do?
Let's check out these elevators.
Oh, shit. Okay, okay. Oh, okay.
Too surreal. If a little dude in a red cap and blue overalls pops out at me, I am seriously gonna vomit all over myself.
This is great. I'm such a guinea pig.
Oh, what the shit? There's 3. Turn around, please. Okay. Oh, right here. Okay, red doors, red doors.
Guess I'm into some side scrolling from time to time.
Nick, now isn't the time to be talking dirty.
I don't get that one. Oh, shit.
Check this out. Ready? Okay. Undead.
Yes, this move is perfect, dude. I wish I could do that more.
If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Wait, what? Oh, okay, up there, up there.
They say solid colors are slimming. Does my butt look less ginormous when I'm all pink like this?
Your butt never looks ginormous, Juliet.
5, 6.
Oh, shit, he's breakdancing. Nice. Okay. I can just jump off.
Going up.
Oh, damn it. There's 2 doors here.
It's more fun
Okay.
killing zombies when they're in rainbow
I
colors.
don't get
huh?
what that was
It's about the same, maybe a little better.
Don't understand why that was necessary, but whatever. Oh my god.
Continue.
You win. Next level.
That dog kind of looks like the Isabelle dog from Animal Crossing. Oh, more of the stripper pole one.
When I practice this alone in my room, I do it naked and get less wind resistance.
Oh.
I do it for the exercise. Really? Hey, zombies. Put $1 in my skirt and I won't kill you. Just kidding. I'll kill you anyway.
Oh. Oh my god, I see that one over there. Did I kill the right one? It don't matter. Lucid? I guess that's a name. Oh my god. Come on, yes. That's a pretty good move, dude. It's the kill. Man, in the wang. Ooh, somebody threw a Molotov.
Supposed to throw dollar bills, dude, not bombs.
How did he throw a Molotov? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Nope. Please. Oh my god. Okay, done. Thank god. Thank you.
Watch me do the robot, please.
No. Kill him. Oh, fuck. Shit. Okay. I'm screwing this up so bad. My score isn't even that high. Thank god. Dude, do I have to kill all of them? Because I might as well just all come up here. I feel like Donkey Kong, like you keep going up and up each one. What's this one now?
Are you ready?
You see my hair?
It's my turn.
What? Is that Jonesy? He's breaking it down.
That dumb wall's in the way.
Dodge the moving white block. Fuck. Shit, dude. We're just slow reader, man. I can't. All I know is to dodge the moving white block. Oh shit, oh shit. Come on. Oh. I feel like it reads the combos well, but at the same time it doesn't. Oh shit. Let me back up. Oh, fuck. I hope I'm supposed to be killing him right now. I don't know.
Keep going. You're destroying the wall.
Oh hell no, I'm not about to deal with these guys anymore.
All this retro nonsense is bugging me hardcore.
Oh shit.
At least you'll never have to wear parachute pants, Nick, even if they come back in style. And this!
Oh, there's still one more over there. Oh, I forgot I have the gun. Oh, that stupid white block. No! Oh! I didn't mean to do that. Keep just clicking on shit. Is the wall destroyed now? The song is still going. Did I get it? Oh, how do I? Oh, okay.
Heat it up.
Next level.
Please don't be the boss fight yet.
Juliet,
Okay,
look
good.
out overhead.
Yeah, let that be. Oh my god, it's the fucking grandma zombie again. She would be here where they're all breakdancing. Her and Gramps get down. Fuck you guys, please leave me alone, please, please. Can I buy health at this time?
Time to shout.
Nice.
I found something. There it is, there it is.
Okay, thank god. Because I needed it. Oh my god, and there goes Grandpa with his signature move. Oh shit.
Seriously.
You can do it. Juliet!
Thankfully, I've never died. Come on, dude, I'm getting so jumped right now. Jesus. Come on, kill him, kill him, kill him. He's right there. Okay, okay, okay. Get out of the way. Oh my god. Dude, please leave me alone. There goes Gramps. And Grandma. Oh my god, fuck you. God, these guys are annoying. Fuck off, Elvis. Fuck you. You're still alive. Just die already. God. No, fuck you. Just leave me alone. Who are those? Are those breakdance zombies? They are. Oh, Wesley. What is that? Why don't I pick it up? Oh my god, more of them keep spawning. Is it until I kill Wesley or something? Fuck you, Wesley. Fuck you, 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 fuck you. Kill Wesley. Let me get this. Oh, Nick took it. Move. Oh. Oh, I do. I have to kill 10. And that's okay if I waste all these bullets too. The shop's right there. This guy's just dancing. Oh my goodness. That's so annoying. They're gonna charge me? Kill him, 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 kill him. Oh my god. Hold on, let me heal. And then I'm gonna buy more.
I wonder what they have. Check this out. There it is. There it is. That's it.
And I'm gonna buy more bullets.
There it is. There it is. That's it.
Okay, jeez. I'll go buy a little bit more bullets.
I found something.
Okay. I'm starting to hate these. They're cool and interesting, but god, they're...
Are you ready? Start.
With the gambling, climb the button, press. Okay. Oh shit.
Jeez.
Okay.
We have to make it to the
This is
top
pretty
without running
cool.
into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
Nuke. What is this one from? Oh shit. Little cow. Oh, is that a spaceship? Oh shit. Oh.
Someone's
It doesn't move that fast. Like I'm trying to move fast. Oof. Oh shit, he threw a whole car. Oh, mother.
I love you, baby. Always.
I moved to the left, but this doesn't move so fast.
Jeez. We have to
Like,
make
it
it to
moves
the top
slow as
without running
hell.
into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
Okay, I'm mostly focused. I'm gonna focus on dodging. All I need to do is just get up there. Oh.
Someone's manipulating us.
Okay, I thought it was one of those cow drop thingies. Okay, this is where the cow... Oh shh.
No. If only I had protected you. Are you ready? Jeez.
Okay,
We have to make it to the top without running into anything.
I hope those dudes below aren't looking at my pink butt.
If we fall, we're screwed.
We're just gonna have to keep going up.
this time. This time I got it. This time I got it. The purple's kind of throwing me off. It makes it feel like they're gonna drop the platforms. Oh shit. Come on, okay. Please, please die.
Someone's manipulating us.
Okay, come on, come on. There we go. on this one. Okay. He's gonna drop the car. It wasn't him? Okay. No. Oh, that was close. Okay, I'm safe right here. I'm safe right here. Come on, come on. Oh, shit. Okay. Go back one. Oof. Thank God. I knew I sucked. Okay. God, I hate
We're
those.
here, on the roof of the building. Where's my sister?
Has to be a secret or something, dude. No? It's just for the shot. Is it a secret? Nah, whatever. I guess no secret. Nice. Ooh, all this delicious food. This delicious coin. What the fuck is calling me right now? Not right now, man. I'm in the
That's where we need to go,
fucking
Jordan.
zone. Oh shit, I wanted to check around.
Where are
What the fuck? Hmm. How is this a zombie? He looks just alive.
Give me back my sister.
What's the matter, baby? Didn't you like our phone SEXXX?
Oh.
That's a pity.
Hey, we're the same. I forgot the dad was in this one.
Dude, give us Rosalind now. And quit making fun of Stephen Hawking. He's a great guy, you perv.
I'm the pervert? You the one with a head hanging from your hip. I already told you, girlie. If you want to win your sister back, you have to play the game.
Fuck you in your game. He's a diaper? Was that a diaper? Oh shit. Fuck you. Oh shit, what's happening? Ah, no, back up, back up. I'm just gonna shoot. The hell is that? Oh shit.
Just calm down and hit it. You can win this one easily.
Shit. Oh my god, he shot me. What the fuck? See, those get closer. I want to be able to get close to him, just like hit him with the chainsaw. Oh shit. Okay, never mind. Oh shit. Let me heal. I don't understand this one. Other than just shoot. What the fuck? How do I dodge that shit? I can't even tell when he's shooting. Oh shit. Okay.
Now it's mine. Pretty cool.
Is he like on my ass right now?
What's this then?
Can he shoot through these? Like, oh, he's throwing bombs at me. Where is he? Let me heal again. I'm so low. I have no idea if I'm even hitting him. Oh shit. Okay, I think now I'm hitting him. Oh fuck. What am I supposed to do? What do I hit? Hmm? These? Oh, he's down. He's down. Oh, motherfucker. What the hell is going on? Dude, oh shit. Where's Dad? Why isn't Dad helping me right now? Dad wants me to do all the work and get all the glory for himself. Can't even go up the damn stairs without falling. Where is he? Why is the camera wonky? What the fuck is going on right now? I can't see shit. It's bright as hell on my screen. All I'm hearing is like grunts. What the fuck is even going on? What am I doing? Where am I? Who am I? Where? Oh, there he is. Fucking finally. I don't think this is doing anything. Might as well just get the ammo. Shit, oh my god. Okay, I'm up at full ammo. When does he fall? Fuck. Oh my god. Dude, this is just the first like stage. What did I do last time that was so different? Just keep shooting him. I'll just keep doing that. I'm just gonna shoot him. This is doing nothing. Literally, this is doing nothing. What the fuck? What am I supposed to do? Please go down. Fucking finally. Yes. Thank God. Oh, great. Please tell me it's something easier. Oh, and of course the dads, they're all late. kind of sounds like that one guy from
I just identified an unidentified
what's it called?
flying object, and we're freaking standing on it. A UFO?
Am I supposed to? Okay, so no. Oh my god,
Hurry up, Juliet. You have to beat him with
I'm fuck. Oh shit, I'm on a timer.
break the next machine quickly.
Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay, let me heal. I have no health.
You can do it.
Fuck you. Why don't you do something? Bite it. Okay, okay, there we go, there we go. That's one. Or two. No, get off camera.
We have to get through.
Yeah, I know, Nick. You shithead. There we go, there we go. Last one. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. Shut up. Oh. Oh, he's dead. Perfect. Thank God. I didn't have the health for the next stage.
You never see your sister.
No!
She's just under us the whole time.
Hey, you promised you'd give her back if we won.
You trusted what I said? I'm a mother freaking zombie. Drop the chainsaw now, ho.
Oh. Where's Pops when you need him, man?
Hey, baby.
Oh, there he is.
Go ahead,
How the hell is he gonna survive? Oh, kill his ass. His
Looks like
auto-tune
you're out of
ass.
coins, weird voice guy.
Still screaming in auto-tune. How am I gonna survive? Said that regular. That one was pretty bad, dude. I was fucking up a lot.